Welcome. If you want to change notification sound in your XIAOMI Black Shark 4, at first you have to go for the settings, then find sound and vibration, and next you have to go for the notification sound. As you can see, when we are here we can find a couple default options. Currently set up mode natural dropping. We can change, for example, for natural birds, but we can also go for the all ring sound that we have on our device. So as you can see, we got a list of all notification sound. You can also change for your custom ringtone. So if you want to pick your favorite music or favorite sound as a notification sound, you can choose. For local ringtones you can set from screen recorder or for the file manager. And right now we have to basically just download some audio files, then select them like on the notifications, like here, and then just click on the marker to confirm. And after that you can just go back, and that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.